Hi there, this is Mo of Mo West Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a t-shirt to make a bow top. So first thing you want to do is pick out a t-shirt that fits you pretty well and then fold it so that the side seams are lined up. Smooth out the back so you get a nice wrinkle-free crease. And then you want to measure and mark about 3 inches from the bottom hem and then another 3 inches from that, and then another 3 inches from that. You can make them larger or smaller, just depending on what you want. Okay, and then you want to measure how deep you want them to go. So we'll make them 4 inches in. Once you've done that, it's time to cut. So just cut through both sides where you made your marks. I think I'm just going to do mine this high so that you can still wear a bra with it without it showing. Then what you want to do is take some ribbon, or if your shirt is too long, you can cut some of the self fabric from the bottom and use that. But I'm going to use ribbon, so I'm just going to take it, wrap it around the middle until it looks like a bow. Cut that. And then just stitch it on the inside in place. Make sure you don't stitch through to the outside, and just do that on all of them. And there you have it, an adorable DIY bow top from a t-shirt. You can also do it no-sew if you just take some maybe thinner ribbon and you can tie it around and make bows on your bows. This has been Mo West Creations. Ciao!